Hi, in this video we are going to see for each loop, how to iterate a array using for each loop. Okay, so let us declare one array int employee numbers equal to 345, 346, 347, 348. So this is an array of integer array. It contains employee numbers. Okay, so now let us use for each loop. It is also called enhanced for loop. It is actually an easier way to iterate through arrays. Okay, so how to use that? For, you have to declare a variable int employee number colon, then this array employee numbers. Okay, then let us print the employee number. You can use system dot out dot println, then employee number plus employee number variable. Okay, so how it works? So this enhanced for loop actually it cycles through this array, this employee numbers array, from the first index to the last index, and each element will be stored inside this employee number variable. Okay, so we can print this variable. So this is the easiest way of using iterating an array. Okay, let us run this code and see the output. See, employee number 345, 346, 347, and 348 are printed.